Do you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can block USB connection when your phone is locked? This helps protect your data from unauthorized access. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Settings, scroll down and tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap More Security Settings. Then find Block USB connection while locked, and then turn the option on. With this enabled, your phone will prevent USB devices from connecting if your phone has been locked for more than 1 hour. This adds an extra layer of protection, especially if your phone is lost or unattended. To allow USB connection again, simply unlock your phone. And that's how you block USB access while your phone is locked on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.